Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Samsung is ready to launch the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition in India. Now Samsung India has officially revealed the launch date of the Galaxy S23 FE is the 4th October, and we are already know that the phone pricing in the India and also USA, and we are already know that the phone full specification and the camera setup. Samsung also post a image on X for a new Samsung Galaxy Tab, maybe it's Samsung Tab 9 Fan Edition, and also come in Galaxy Buds Fan Edition too. So Samsung are full ready to launch the Fan Edition family in 4th October, and we are already see some picture and poster about the S23 FE, and we are also see two video about the two camera teaser. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.